I'm Amy Vallandigham. I'm with Newport Group. I'm the VP of Finance, and Newport Group is a retirement insurance and consulting company. We have 25 employees across 3 different locations, 3 different states. It's comprised of AR, GL, accounts payable, and FP&A. Our ERP is Netsuite, and we use Microsoft CRM, which also links on the Netsuite, and we have some homegrown systems that we use. I've been at Newport for about 1.5 years, and when I came in, I realized how fragmented our close process was. We had done a lot of acquisitions in about 1.5 years, and every finance location was doing their close their own specific way with their own spreadsheet, and I never knew where we stood on the close. We did. We looked at, I can't remember the name of it, but our biggest reason we chose FloQast was the ease of implementation, and it looked really user-friendly. I just gave you guys my spreadsheets with the email address, the people that are responsible for it, and you guys did all the work for me. And training was probably unnecessary because the system's so easy to use. Well, for me personally, knowing where my staff stands on the close process has been really helpful. And one of the things that I found in the past is that something would change in Netsuite and I wouldn't know, and the reconciliations would be off. So when it was time to give them to the auditors, it wouldn't agree and we'd have to go research multiple months to figure out. So I love the fact that by hitting refresh, it just allows you to know automatically if something's off. And you get the emails too for the current month when something's off, which is nice. Yes, I do recommend FloQast to other companies, and I just say it's really easy to manage a close when you have people in different locations.